How to fix Valorant packet loss problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here services, and then right click on it and click run as administrator, and now scroll down until you find VGC. Now right click on it and click restart, and then right click again, properties, and here make sure to select automatic, apply, and OK. And that's it. Now after that, type here device manager, and now just make sure to update network adapters. Right click and update all the drivers that you can find here, and that's it. Then restart your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.